Hi, in this video I'm going to go over how to set up product attributes in WooCommerce. I have two products here, olive wood frame 2 and 1, that have two different sizes. And I'm going to combine these products so that you can just select your size when you're at the main product page. So I'm first going to edit my product. And I'm going to add these things called attributes. So I'm going to add a custom attribute. I'm going to call this size. Then over here in the values, you need to put in your two separate values. So the one is 13 by 16. And then let me just clear this out for a sec. It says enter some text attributes by pipe separating values. So once I have my first value in here, I'm going to use the pipe, which is above the backslash. And I want to put in my second value, which is on product number 1. So this is 10.5 by 13 is my first attribute. So now I have my two attributes, and I want to click this box that says visible on product page because we do want these to be publicly shown. And then I'm going to click save attributes. And then I also like to just update my post at this point and make sure that's saved. So under product data, this is no longer a simple product. This is a variable product. So I'm going to want to change that. And that's going to give me some other options over here, specifically the variations tab. We go down here and just click this button that says link all variations. That basically takes the attributes that you've selected and turns them into product variations. And just say OK. Please not save. Okay. Just missed one step here. When you go to variable product, you also need to check off this thing that says used for variations. And I'll check that off and just update my page. So now if I get on variations and do link all variations, two variations added, that's good. So now I essentially have two boxes here, one for each type of product. So this is my 10.5 by 13. I'm just going to put in a quantity of 10. The price for the 10.5 by 13 is $25. There's no sale price. I'm putting the weight as 0.1 because it's very light dimensions. I'm just going to do 1 by 10.5 by 13. Just a reminder, this should be the box that you're putting it in, not the product itself. And then down here, this is my other one. This is $35. And the weight again is 0.1. I'm just going to do 1 by, just want to double check, this is 13 by 16. My sale price here, don't need a sales price. Both of these are enabled. This looks good. I'm going to update. Now if I come back out here and refresh my page, it shows the cheaper option as $25 just as the default price. Then you select your size here. You can see it updated to 35. You can add to cart. You can also select the smaller size. Coming back here, you can make these defaults. If you go to variations, you can make a default selection so they don't have to choose one or the other. I like to let them choose. So I'll move it like this. You're also going to want to adjust your description here. I'll just say available in 10.5 by 13 frame for 8 by 10 photo. And let me just grab the other description here. And 13 by 16 for 11 by 10 photo. Update. We no longer need these numbers up here, so I'm just going to delete that. And if you want to, you may also want to change the URL here so it doesn't have the number 1 after it. just update. And then if I view my product, everything should be looking pretty good here. Available in 10.5 by 13 frame. The other size you can select. Everything looks good. My only last step would be to delete now the unnecessary second product. So I'm just going to come in here. This is the 2. We don't need this anymore. So I'm just going to throw it in the trash. If for some reason you need to dig it out, that's saved up here in the trash. And again, in this video, we went over how to add product attributes in WooCommerce, specifically for a few different sizes.